Hello, my beautiful people. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to go from this to that. Yes, stay tuned for full video. Dance, beautiful people. Okay, are we ready to see how we are going to install eyelashes, which is everything, okay? Everything I tell you in your makeup, in your face, okay? Even if you don't have a major look, you don't need much, but get yourself some false eyelashes and your eyes, your face will just exude, okay? So first, as you can see, I'm just applying a light eyeliner, okay? Just an eyeliner so that it could kind of avoid that hole in between, so that everything can blend in, so that it could just help the eyelashes to set in properly and to kind of blend in with my own skin color, because the bottom of the eyelash is black and I wanted to kind of blend in with my own eyelid. Okay, so first, like I said, I put the eyeliner on. I'm using this cool kind of blow dryer fan wavy thing because my eyes are watery. Okay, when I put my eyelashes on, it gets watery. Let me know if anybody else out there, if that same thing happens to them. But yes, so yeah, so after I put the eyeliner onto my eyelid, I'm going to use the eyelash glue. This is the eyelash glue that I use. Now, we are free to use any eyelash glue, but this one I like because I put it directly, as you can see, onto my eyelids, okay? Sometimes I do this method, other times I will use the other kind of glue to put it onto the eyelash itself, onto the false eyelash. But this one, I just put it onto my eyelids because I find it, I don't know, it's like easier for me to apply. But I have to let you know, be honest with you, there is a downside to it because the glue, it takes like maybe a day or two for it to be removed from your own eyes. So you may or may not want to do that method. But anyhow, so I kind of use my mascara to pull back my own eyelashes, okay? So now what I'm doing is I'm just getting the false eyelash ready. I sanitize it, with a little alcohol wipe. I'm big on alcohol wipes, okay? So I sanitize the eye, just kind of removing any germs that might be on it from before, okay, before I apply it. And then I just kind of shake it off, blow it off, and then I proceed on to applying the false eyelash. Now, the technique is, okay, that works best for me. Settle it in the middle, okay, straight in the middle of your eyelid, okay? Leave it there, all right? And then you can move it around from side to side to make sure it settles in properly. And use a Twizzler. You see, I'm using my Twizzler. Some people use their hands, but using a Twizzler works better for me. And as you continue to watch this video, you will see why. So yeah, so I'm just taking my time. I start in the middle and I kind of move it around to make it fit the way I liked it to fit, okay? And of course, I use my fingers too, but for the most part, I use a Twizzler. Look, okay, just look at the difference between, I guess, what we're looking at between that left side and the right side, And of course, I'm using my blow drying because my eyes were getting watery. Okay. But yes, okay, look at the difference, guys. I'm telling you, where fall, boom, voila. Yeah, she's feeling herself already. Look at this. She's already feeling herself. yeah, little victory dancing that I do, these are all natural things that I do when I'm doing my makeup. I'm telling y'all. So yeah, wearing false eyelashes when you're wearing makeup, it really, you know, it's a game changer for me. So yeah, so once again, I'm doing the same thing, the same exact thing on the other eye. Okay, so first we're going to apply the eyeliner over the eyelid. Okay. And just making sure we get the corners really nicely. And also, a little tip that I want to tell you guys. I walk around, like I have my eyelash glue in my purse, okay? That's another essential that I put in my purse when I have false eyelash on. Anybody else out there carry their eyelash glue in their purse? I would love to hear from you. Okay, so once again, we start in the middle. Now, if you see, look closely, okay? I want you to pay particular attention to these parts, okay? Because I did not apply the false eyelash exactly close to my eyelids, okay? And there was a gap, okay? There was a gap and a space in between. And I just want us to kind of take a look to see if you could see it. Because with me, I don't like when I'm looking at somebody's eyelashes, I could see a gap. You know what I mean? Like, do you guys know what I'm trying to say? See that little gap? Look at it. You see that little gap between one eye to the eyelash. So, as I've told you before, I try to be as perfect as possible when it comes to doing my makeup and hair. So that has got to go. Look at it. Look closely for the gap. Yeah, I was like, nah, that's bothering me. See the other eyelash? It's like perfectly blends together, but this one there was a gap in. So what I do to fix the gap, I just remove it. You know, I just remove it and I just try to push it down, like try to replace it, closest down. And that's another reason why we use the eyeliner first, so that, it could kind of have the black mark so that people don't see that there's a difference between your own, like, so that people can't tell that is different, because I want it to literally look like it's growing out of my own eyelashes, like it's my own eyelash. Okay, so boom, this is a bit better. Okay, I was able to fill in the gap better. Okay, I'm not sure if you could see it, but I could see it. I could tell. I need this to be as perfect for me, okay, because I have to wear this look for the whole day, and I need to feel confident and not worrying about, oh my God, there's a gap in between. But anyhow, so yeah, so then, I applied it, and I'm just kind of using my finger to reinforce. Okay, making sure that the false eyelash is perfectly settled in. All right. Yay! Once again, my eyes are watery, so I'm just kind of blowing it. And I use a Q-tip also to remove any excess, like, water that might be in my eye. But anyhow, so this is very good. Look at the eyelash. Look at it. Isn't it pretty? It just brings out your makeup, brings out your face, bring out your makeup. It's just excellent, excellento, excellento. So what I'm about to do now, and what I want to show you guys now, is that, I'm just finishing up my makeup. So once I put in my false eyelashes, I like to go back and kind of like, reinforce my lower lid. And I'm using like this kind of like very clear white crystal like powder, eyeshadow. I just like to go underneath my eyelid and just kind of bring it out, just kind of use that kind of a little liner, okay, like a very nice sheer liner. It just kind of, I feel like it brings out my eyes a lot. You see, I like it. I think it's cute. Now, you may or may not want to do this process. Actually, I don't see it much lately. Like it used to be very popular. It was like a very popular thing that ladies were doing. And I don't see it much, but I feel like it really helps me out. Anyhow, and then now here I'm just showing you how I apply my lipstick. I'm just putting on my lipstick. This is a matte lipstick. I think the color is like rose. I like pink lipsticks. Like I like bright color lipsticks. Um, I don't know. I just feel like I just I don't know. It's just my flavor. Okay, so I'm just going back here with my eyeshadow. Just little touch up here and there. Nothing much. Just making sure the finishing look is up to my satisfaction. Like as you can tell, and if you've watched the previous videos, I don't do too much with my face, okay? I don't do too much like with the contour, the this, the that. Like I don't do any of that really. Because I don't know, to me, I just feel like if you have a God-given natural beauty, you don't need to do all that. That's just me. Okay. Um, yes. And here I am. Okay, I'm just trying to basically bring out my lips. Okay, so I use a little Q-tip with the foundation. And then I go over, I don't know why I'm making that face. Anyhow, and then I go over my lips. Oh yeah, I usually wear two different kinds of lipsticks. Okay, FYI, FYI. I usually blend my lipsticks together. Okay, so yeah, so I'm basically done with my makeup. Okay, just little touch up with the brush, the powder. Yes, this is the makeup. Like I said, if you haven't seen the other videos, please go back to view them. But yeah, so this is the end product, y'all. Me, with the full eyelash on. All right. I hope you enjoyed this video because I did enjoy making that video for you. Okay. Comment, like, subscribe, follow me. Let me know about your makeup routine. Let me know. I would love to hear about your opinion on false eyelashes. Okay. All right, my beautiful people. I love you with the love of Jesus Christ. See you. See you all in the next video. Dance, beautiful people. Mwah.